Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I, on behalf of Afifa Rahmalia, I, as moderator of Group 1, will help carry out today's discussion. For the first time, today's discussion will begin with a presentation of material that has been prepared by our group, Anthropology Book. Therefore, we welcome Indonesia as the first speaker.
Okay, thanks for the opportunities that you gave it to me. I'm Indonesia as the first speaker. What anthropology study and what is your own area of interest? According to AI, anthropology is the study of humans as social animals, including their origins, cultures, and how they might survive in the future. According to Dr. Robert Lee, anthropology in a general sense is a study of humanity. He knows that's not very exact. That's why we have many types of anthropology, like linguistic anthropology or social anthropology. His special edition is a cultural anthropology. He studied different cultures around the world and how social and political changes affect these cultures. Cultural anthropology is the study of human culture, including how people think, act, and organize their societies. Cultural anthropologists study how people shape the world around them and how different societies are similar to and different from each other. Okay, next slide. When do you first become interested in anthropology? Dr. Robert Lee grew up in a multicultural house. His mother is a British and his father is a Korean. They were both English teachers, so they traveled to Brazil. As a child, Dr. Robert Lee lived in Japan, Thailand, and Egypt. That's why he decided to study anthropology. Growing up in the different cultures help you realize the custom and tradition for often look. Things that are acceptable in one culture can be completely unacceptable one another. However, despite some differences between cultures, I've known is there are often more similarities and differences between people.
Please, second speaker on behalf of Nurul Ramdan.
Have tradition changed? Absolutely. Custom and tradition change all of time. Some tradition die out because our life changed, but most tradition are the main points of the new book by Dr. Robert Lee. The book is about the advanced modern of technology and tradition around the world. It will know the things such as electricity, telephone, and television has changed our life significantly. The introduction of vision function into our life has changed many of custom. For example, in the past, family spent time playing for games or listening to the radio in the evening. These activities with deepen family relationship. Now to do the development technology, people spend more time interacting with other people on the internet. Positive impact of technology development. Dr. Robert Lee. There are people who complain about the change that technology has brought to our life. Personally, I think the change are fine. We can still spend time and interacting with other people, but it's not all face to face. Recording to AI. Is easy access to information, improved communication, advances in health, improved security and safety, online learning, cost saving. Thank you.
Please, the last speaker on behalf of Ajeng Gafira Anindita.
A simple example is sending card of message. In the past, people sending each other card to celebrate important event like birthday or anniversary. But no more people send message for social networking sites or by email. Another example of changing customs holiday food. A few generations ago, people spent a lot of time and effort preparing special meals. For celebration, it was usually the woman who did this. Some dishes could take of 2 weeks to prepare, but now we don't have to work so hard. The reason for this is we have modern kitchen and supermarket food. We don't have to spend English hours making around butter or bread anymore. Everything is quicker and easier now. You can find any recipe you want to on the internet. This means that money people don't need research for action anymore. Another thing is that money families now go out instead cooking at home. In India, for example, family hire catering companies to provide food for wedding. In the US, during Thanksgiving, which is one of the big celebration, there are many families go to restaurant because they don't want to spend their holidays working in a kitchen. Thank you.
So the conclusion we can take from today's presentation topic is technological development is not a barrier for us. People can still continue the tradition of eating special foods, celebrating important day, just in a different way. Tradition don't know ways they out, but custom and tradition do change and adapt to the modern world. Okay, that's all for our presentation today. Thank you for your attention, friends.